Good morning. Nutmeg here. Saturday, May the 4th be with you. I am just taking us on a journey. Look at this. From just a couple weeks ago, being completely bare. Look at where this path is leading you, my fellow light worker. The growth has begun. Oh, just look at it. It's so alive. You can't help but feel alive when you just take a moment and get out and be with the trees and the bushes as they start a new season. The seeds are planted and starting to grow, and we get to decide in what form those roots are going to take shape in our lives. So I realized I had never actually just taken a walk showing the cute little pathway here. And here is the other side of Dragon. Now, look at from this side. And to Contemplation Log, where I sit every day and connect to nature and have a conversation with God through nature. So I hope you get out there on the first beautiful day that you possibly can. Soak up those sun rays safely. It's what keeps us going, what fuels us, what helps us to continue to grow, just like the trees and plants. And just trust, because just a few weeks ago, in the chaos of the eclipse and all of the energies that we've experienced so far in 2024, it's inevitable. Growth is inevitable. It always finds a way. So take care, my fellow light workers. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Love you so much.